Cervical cancer is that malignant tumor that develops in the cervix. This is the lower part of the uterus. Okay, so it occurs when malignant cells is spread along the cervix. Actually, it's a quite common condition. Well, in the US, there are around 12,000 new cases annually. Well, they have about 400 million population. In our country, around 6,000 to 7,000 Filipino women get the disease. And take note, we only have around 100 million population. There are around 2 or 3 types of cervical cancer. So the first type is the so-called squamous carcinoma. Well, it develops in the lower part, from the cells of the lower part of the cervix. The second type is the so-called adenosquamous carcinoma. It develops along the glands in the cervix. The third type, we say it's a mixture of these histologic types. And a fourth would be metastatic cervical carcinoma, well, when the tumor has spread beyond the cervix and into the pelvis or into the lymph nodes. Those at risk are contact at very young age, those who had multiple sexual partners, those who have intake of pills, your oral contraceptive pills for more than 5 years, other infections such as HIV, or recurrent STDs such as herpes, with vices such as smoking, alcoholic beverage drinking, and those with promiscuous male partners. And of course, those women who do not consult their doctor for regular pap smear screening. For treatment that are available for cervical cancer, well, since the 1980s, it has really been primarily with radiochemotherapy. So we call it complete radiotherapy with concurrent chemotherapy. Well, for those who are in early stages, let's say those who are in stage 2A and below, or they have less bulky tumors, just less than 4 centimeters in widest diameter, we could do operation. But for all stages, the standard treatment is radiotherapy with concurrent chemotherapy. Okay, for prevention, it's as simple as remembering the ABCs of prevention. The A, it would stand for abstinence. So kung ayaw natin magkaroon ng STD, then we do not have contact with anyone. So the B, well, essentially is also behavioral modification, stands for being faithful. Okay, as I've mentioned, it should be a lifetime mutual monogamy. Well, C stands for condom use. Okay, so condom is a form of barrier protection from pregnancy, but it does not just protect from pregnancy, it also does protect against sexually transmitted infections, including the HPV or the human papillomavirus. And we invite you, dear friends, our women, as well as other stakeholders, to visit our clinic at Healthway. So we have various clinics along Metro Manila, wherein you could avail of our services, the pap smear screening, and most importantly, we now have here the anti-HPV vaccine.
Healthway Medical is inviting everyone, do take charge of your own health. Visit our 7 branches, all in major shopping malls, or visit our website www.healthway.com.ph, or visit our Facebook, Healthway Philippines. Remember, in Healthway, your health treated with care.
This portion was brought to you by Healthway Medical.